What's happening, Brewery Life? Jasper here. Today I want to talk about something a little different that I'm really passionate about. I've got a lot of emails over the last month or so saying, "Welcome back. It's good to have you back." Well, it's great to be back, but that begs the question, where have I been? So today I wanted to talk about another company that I started. I started another company. It's a construction company. I got my general contractor's license, and over this last year and a half, I've been designing and building a house for myself and my family to live in. It's been a crazy experience. So much hard work went into it. Working 7 days a week, 10-hour days every day. But I was able to break ground and build a house within 8 months. It took me about another 8 months prior to that to do the blueprints and design it the way that I wanted to. But the monetary growth that you get from real estate is pretty big compared to a brewery. The personal growth and confidence you get in yourself from being able to build your own home is just amazing. So I really wanted to just quickly encourage you guys, if you haven't thought about being a owner builder before, if you've never thought about construction, consider it, because it is literally a life-changing move that you guys, if you start planning now, can work on and hopefully be able to accomplish this thing. I've always had a construction background. It was my first jobs through high school, and I worked myself through college working construction, being a general labor and a framer. So I've always had the building gene inside me. I've always really loved to build and design houses. It's been a great experience for me, and it's carried through into my brewing and my commercial brewing business. So I'm just going to show you guys a slideshow today. I have a bunch of pictures of the project, and I just need to get them online and show you kind of breaking ground and the progress that I've been through. I just moved in a few months ago, so this is a pretty recent thing that I just got done with, and I wanted to share the slideshow of how the building progress went. If this is something you guys want to undertake and you guys want to do in the future, I would love to do a video on how to help organize people's budget, your thoughts, design ideas. I did design and build a house a few years back that we could go look at as well, if you guys want to get more into the construction side of things, how to frame houses, and those general ideas. So as you can tell, this is something that I'm pretty passionate about. It's something that I'm going to keep doing moving forward. And if ever I disappear again off YouTube, then you could probably assume that I'm going to be building another house. So check out the slideshow. And if you guys want to learn more about how an owner builder was able to create his dream home, definitely comment in the below, and I will be happy to share with you my experience and give you any tips for you in your life. So enjoy. Cheers.